Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is the tool used for disassembly. We prepare according to demand. First, remove the front passenger side panel. Then loosen the screw that holds the air outlet panel. Then we remove the main driver side panel. Also loosen the screw holding the air outlet panel. Now we remove the panel above the screen of the original car. Then remove the panel above the dashboard. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the lower panel. Now let's loosen the screws that hold the original car screen in place. Then loosen the second screw. Loosen the third screw. Then we take off the buttons on the original car panel and unplug the back of the buttons. Continue to loosen the fourth screw holding the original car screen. Finally, loosen the fifth set screw. Now we remove the air outlet panel. Then unplug the 4 plugs on the back of the outlet. We remove the yellow cover plate in the CD position. Then unscrew the 2 screws that hold the CD expansion cover. Now let's loosen the top 2 screws. The screws here have a protective cushion that needs to be lifted. Remove the CD expansion cover and continue to loosen the 4 screws holding the CD host. Okay, take out the CD host and unplug it. We continue to remove the original car screen, and then remove the 2 plugs on the back of it. Here we arrange the layout of the new power card. Now connect the black end of the AUX extension cable to the AUX input plug of the new power supply. The red and white plug is then connected to the red and white sun input socket of the storage box. Connect the black electrical source of the new power supply to the CD plug of the original car, and then connect its other black plug to the optical fiber cable and plug it into the main engine. Now connect the white head of the new power supply to the new screen, and then connect the GPS cable and the quad G antenna of the new screen. Plug the original LVDS into the new screen. Install the new screen and secure all its screws. We put the main engine back together and fixed its 4 screws. Then install the CD expansion cover and secure it with 4 screws. Now we put all the plugs back into the back of the air outlet and install the air outlet. Fix the screws on the left and right sides of the air outlet and install the cover plate. Now we install these 2 panels. There is no hurry to complete the installation. Let's debug the new screen first. This new screen retains the original car system. We first enter the factory settings, enter the password, Select the original car system resolution. Select the corresponding variant of the original car system can be set. Then click on Audio. Select AUX, and our Android system will output the sound. Finally, enter the factory settings. Select the corresponding original car interface UI so as to activate the door reminder. Then press the air conditioner button to detect the air conditioner data information. Now install these last two panels. When the installation is complete, you can listen to a beautiful piece of music. You can also watch your favorite movies, or use a map to navigate to the nearest park. Bluetooth phone support. You can use the steering wheel buttons to control it. Support for automotive data dashboards. With wireless CarPlay, Android Auto support, you can use the voice assistant, make calls, listen to music, use maps and more from the screen.